Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Nimanambe, and in today's video I am going to show you a natural remedy for cold and flu. So you guys stick with me until the end of the video. You are going to enjoy it. Thanks for coming by. So with me here I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 tablespoon of clove powder, then 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1/2 of sugar, then some water, and then some honey. So to start with, I'm going to pour in my water into my pan on medium heat. Then I'm going to pour in the sugar, then stir it and let it come to a boil. So guys, this remedy, even children can take it. This is very good for my boy, he likes it so much. So now I'm going to pour in my lemon juice, then stir it nicely. You see, it's becoming to form a syrup. Then I'll pour in my ginger. It depends. I am using dried ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger choice. Okay, just adding in my clove powder. You can, if you don't have clove powder, you can add your cloves. Just grind it and then add it. So we will cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes until the water has evaporated, leaving some thick syrup. That is what we are going for. We want a sticky syrup. So I will just put off the heat and then let it sit for about a minute for it to cool down a little. Guys, just look at the texture. This is what we are going for. Not too watery and not too sticky. So on my tray, I'm just going to place in baking paper. This is where we are going to rest our ginger drops. So from here, I'm just going to fetch a little of it and then drop it on the baking paper. So it's going to air dry here, then form those crystal drops. Just let this cool for about 15 minutes. Then I'll sprinkle some powdered sugar on it. Then I'll be able to take it out of the paper. Ta-da! Our ginger drops are ready. So I am just going to store this in a tight container. I kept powdered sugar on it to prevent it from sticking to each other when it is in the container. So you can just store this in the container and then put it in the fridge. Anytime you want to use it, just open and then pick one. You can suck this, it's a candy, or you can use it for tea, morning and evening. This is so nice. My family love it so much. So I do take this every morning, or I just add 2 drops into hot water and make some nice tea for myself. So this is how I do it. This tea is full of antioxidants and all those good stuffs that help to fight your cold and flu. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. Please like and comment below. Thanks so much guys. Bye.